Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. And today what I would like to talk to you about is how to collect seeds from your polka dot plants. Polka dot plants are really pretty cute little plants. They look like you would have taken a paintbrush and like whacked or threw paint on them. They can come in white, red, or pink. And they make cute little house plants. You can plant them outside. And these here did flower. Now, they're not grown for their flowers. That's just like an added bonus. They get real pretty, like bluish, kind of purplish flowers on them, if I recall right. These bloomed last year for me. And I collected a whole paper bag full of these. And I'm going to show you how to collect them. So, these here are where our seed pods are going to be in. So I'm going to snap a couple of these off here. And I'm going to show you two different ways here to do this. So one of the ways is you can try and look through them here. I don't have any in. Okay. So I got one here, and this one should have seeds in it. Now they'll kind of bounce out at you. Okay, there's some there. Didn't go in the container here. Okay, so the easiest way that I found to get these seeds out, because I had one for years and it bounced out of the thing and I have to find it, is, oh here it is. There's one right there. Is to take and put the dried stems from your polka dot plant that you cut in a paper bag and shake them up really good, kind of crumble them around, and then take and pour them out. Yeah, they're falling out there. Take and pour them out onto your paper. Now I've been pouring these out of here as they dry, and I will show you what they look like here. Now the black ones, the black seeds, the black shiny ones, they're celosia. I accidentally got my bags mixed up the one day and put a celosia thing in there to dry, so I just put those in a separate thing. And then you can just pick your seeds. There we go. And just pick your seeds out then, and you can store them in an envelope, and you can put them, make sure you label them what they are, and you can put them in a Ziploc bag, and you can store them in the refrigerator. It'll make them last longer. So you can just see down here, they fell out for us here. So there's our polka dot plant seeds. And they're kind of like they're sort of like a brown, tan, orangish color. So that's how we collect our polka dot plant seeds. You can try and pick them out on your own, like with each individual stem, but it's going to take you a long time to do that. It's just easier to cut the stems when they're done blooming and when the seeds have actually developed in the pods, and then just put your stems in a paper bag and let them go from there. just shake them up then and crumble them. And it's so much easier and nicer to get the seeds out that way. So that's how I collect my polka dot seeds. Sorry about that. If you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button and I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.